Okay, for this week's video is going to be more of a knot tool than a knot. So this is a knot board. It's a method of tying the Turkshead knot instead of tying it on your hand. But the good thing with this process, just like the cylinders, is that you can put this down and walk away and come back to it another time. So this is just a piece of wood with 8 screws in it. I've seen them with wooden pegs, so a bit like a stick with pegs in, and as long as they're removable, that's the key. You want to be removable. Some people have used split pins before, which is quite useful as well, or you can get the screws that will screw all the way in without a head on them. So the idea is you tie the knot and then undo the screws or screw them in, or the pegs, whatever, and then take it off the board, and then you've got the knot. So this is quite a cheap and easy version. So for this method, we're going to tie the 9-part 4-bight Turkshead. So I'm only going to make one of these videos. There is better videos out there to cover this. So for this method, it's all going to be on the front. We're not going to be needing to flip the board over. So from here, we're going to take the cord all the way around this hook and all the way down. From here, we're going to go around the back again to the front and go over this first hook. Now this stuff will move around a little bit. As long as you're careful, you'll be okay. So from here, so this is the bottom peg we're going to go from. We're going to go up and go along the side of this one. Okay, it's going to go all the way around, and what you want to do is it to stay on the same side and not cross over the cord on the back. So it's going to keep on going up to the next peg. So you'll notice what we're doing. We're just going to go from right to left as we go through the knots. Okay. So yeah, we're on here. We're going to go down round to this one here, but now we need to be careful that we're going to go over and under these cords. So we're going to go under this one, like that, over this one, all the way around. So you didn't need to turn it over, so you just under this one, round. That one's an over, so this one's going to be an under. And then this one's going to be an over. Okay, so we're going to follow it around again. So this time we need to make sure we're going to go under. Because we're going to do the opposite to this one. Over, because it's the opposite to that one. And we're going to go up to here. So from here we're going to go under, over. So I'm pushing through a loop and then pulling through the working end. Okay, if you wanted to, you could poke the working end through, but with that it can create like twists in the rope, so that's just a handy hint. If you'll notice that these are all overs on here, and on these ones it's overs that way. Okay, so just it's one thing to look for this one. Okay, so we're going to go, we can turn it over this time and have a look. What it's going to do, it's going to go over, under, over. Back around, like that. So back around the front, over, under, over. So just got to go through that one there. Make the bight, hook that on there, pull that through. Okay. So as we come round, we're going to go over, under, okay. One thing we've got to pay attention for this one, being the last one, is that the one coming through is actually going to push this one down. So we've got here an over and another over. So why would you have two overs in a row? This is why we're going to have the other cord going that way. Like I say, push that down. So the one thing you've got to pay attention to is that because you've gone over, you'd think to go underneath, but if you look that way, it's an over, sorry, it's an under, over. This one's going to be an over, under, over. So just be careful. That's what I'm trying to say. Turn it over, and we can see there that's going to be an under, over, under, there you go. This is what I was saying. That's going to squash that one down. There's two overs there, so this one's going to be the under. And then over, under, over, round the back, and then there's the start again. So what I could do, just to help to make sure I don't lose that cord, I'm just going to go through once. There you go, and then you see how you would double it up. Okay, so that's the cord you can double. You can go over and under all the way around. Like I say, take this off, just unscrew the little bolts, the little nuts, and you should be able to slide the knot off. So there you go, there's a 4-bight 9-part Turkshead, the board method. I hope you try and give this a try, and thanks for watching the video.